How to clean your Vornado 633 DC Energy Smart Medium Air Circulator. You will need a size 2 Phillips head screwdriver at least 100mm in length and a soft microfibre cloth. Optional tools include a handheld vacuum cleaner and a blinds duster. Always ensure your air circulator is switched off and unplugged before you start disassembling the unit. Step 1. Locate the screws on your air circulator. Some Vornado air circulators have 3 screws and others have 4. This Vornado 633 Energy Smart Medium Air Circulator has 3 screws, located at 9, 3 and 6 o'clock positions on the back of the grille. Carefully unscrew these with a Phillips head screwdriver that is ideally 100mm in length, excluding the handle. Set aside the screws in a safe place while taking apart your air circulator. Once all the screws have been removed, release the clips located on the Vornado air circulator. On this 633 DC, there are 4 clips located at 10, 2, 4 and 8 o'clock positions on the back of the grille. Release each of these clips carefully and lift the front grille from the unit. If your Vornado air circulator has never been disassembled before, this may be a little tricky. Step 2. Position the Vornado 633 DC Energy Smart Medium Air Circulator so that you have easy access to the blades and the interior of the air circulator. Using a soft and dry cloth, carefully wipe down each of the blades and then the interior of the unit. When in use, the Vornado air circulator generates whole room air circulation, which means it can easily pick up the dust particles that are often floating around in the air of your space. Cleaning the dust from the air circulator interior regularly keeps the air circulator operating effectively and efficiently. On the exterior of your unit, you could use a lightly damp cloth to get off any stubborn marks or grime, making sure to avoid any moisture near the dial or the motor of the unit. You could also use your household vacuum cleaner or blinds duster to remove any hard-to-reach dust trapped in the rear grille or the inside of the air circulator. When cleaning this 633 DC, we didn't need the extra tools as the soft and dry microfibre cloth was enough to do the task. For the front grille, wipe it down with the same cloth, making sure you remove any dust and fingerprints from the inside and outside of the grille before attaching it back onto the air circulator. Step 3. Reattach the front grille, making sure to line up the clips and the holes for each screw, and then gently clicking the clips back into place. You should hear a small clicking sound as each clip slots in. The Vornado logo should be straight once the unit is tilted back to the upright position. Now that the front grille has been correctly reattached to your Vornado air circulator, replace each of the screws back into their original holes with your Phillips head screwdriver. We recommend disassembling and cleaning your Vornado at the start and end of each season, or sooner if you have pets, notice grime buildup, or a large amount of dust buildup on or inside your Vornado unit. Regularly maintaining your 633 DC will prolong its life so you can keep using your Vornado air circulator all year round. In Australia, the Vornado 633 DC Energy Smart Medium Air Circulator is backed by a 5-year replacement warranty, and the silver warranty sticker is located on the underside of the base of the unit. Now your Vornado air circulator looks as good as new. If you need any help disassembling your other Vornado units, explore the other videos on our channel.